Hey everyone, welcome to the first video of February, the first online video. Today it's going to be a bonus compilation. If you ever want to see what I play, you can check out stopandstep.com. I'm always at a UK regulated casino, and also I've updated the Big Bass Slots page. If you like Big Bass Slots, there's a new one, Trophy Fishing, coming 16th of April. So it's a bonus compilation, one to the next. I'll see you in a minute. Slot number one. Slot number one, I'm starting with No Limit City Duck Hunters. I like the bonus, but I don't like the speed at which the bonus plays. It's crazy fast. So with the No Limit booster, you always get one scatter. See you in a minute, but let's watch this. Okay, see you in a minute. Hopefully with a bonus. I'm in with the bonus. That costs £80 pretty much. Full. No. You're going to hold those multipliers? I don't think it does. Nice if it does though. Okay, he's got his ducks. Yeah, what do I want? Right. Okay, that's the top one maybe. Plays really fast. Nice. Too quick, isn't it? Way too quick. Kind of fun, £34. Duck Hunters. Was a loss on that. It was still in fairly fast. I can't bother with that for £10. Nah. So let's move on to number two. Slot number two, Sarah's Secret, Immortal Romance. Last time I played this, I think it was £170 bonus. It's a random trigger. Can get multiple. What have I got? Twin Flames, cost £195. I don't think I've had Twin Flames before. Let's see what it can do. Oh yeah, twin window. Flames. That makes sense. Any upgrades? Let's see. Trying to see something go past. Feels like this could be quite a low value one. Yeah, I don't think it's over £20 yet. Bit of a boost, a tenner. Yeah, no upgrades on this one. The other ones have had like power-ups and stuff. Oh, tops out. Bottom is out as well. Yeah, Twin Flames then. I don't think that is that good really.
Big win.
Well, Sarah thinks it's a big win. I disagree with Sarah there. That's bonus number two. There it is. Next up, one of my all-time favourites, even though it did a £10 and 8p bonus last time I played it. It's Kraken Sky Bounty. Now this would work well as an arcade game, but no one seems to have copied it just yet. Mind you, pragmatic slots would be really good as 500 jackpots, wouldn't they? There's a lot of them. Anyway, need 3 airships, 3 of 4, 5, 5, 5. I've had 5. I think I have had 4 before. So yeah, if they made arcade versions of these, I know there's a couple of big basses floating around, but yeah, I think they'd be popular, wouldn't they? If they brought out their own terminal. Come on then. Stick a pie gamble on it. Everyone happy. Ooh. This cost £282 for the bonus. A little bit of a win there, not that. Looks like it's going to upgrade again. £91.60. Nearly. Kinda nearly. Come on, airship. Good. Oh yeah, all the wilds are gone. Nice. Oh, there's one. That's a big one. That's at least £192.20. Ooh, that's not. Last one maybe. No, one now. Oh, 64p instead of a massive one. 265 on Sky Bounty. Really good, but it cost 282. That was bonus number 3. Bonus number 4. Oh yeah, that was the last time I played it. What you called? Magnificent Power HooKoo. Random trigger on this one. And we'll stop. There we go. What are you up to, little HooKoo? I don't think it's a bonus, is it? No, well it's kind of, but not the one I want. Unless you do a grand or mega. I mean, there's a big difference, but yeah, minor. Yeah, I remember that. I've had that one before. Let's carry on. I'm in. He popped up. He bounced along. He did 2 little pop bonuses, both the minor. Now I've got my favourite one. That cost £62.80. He needs to catch the fish. There's one. Oh yeah. They're still next to him. 3 fish. Oh. Oh no. Well, it's not going to do 3, is it? That was harsh. Please, HooKoo. That wasn't very good, was it? Let's move on. Pepe's Pepperoni Pizza Plaza now. I need 3 delivery things. No, I don't. I need 3 scatters and then I need the deliveries. Yeah. See you in a moment. I'm in. It cost 142, roughly. It did do a £72 base game hit. Start from stage 2, yeah, nice. And a boot on the pizza. Right, stage 2, that's a rare one. Cute little wallops. Oh, yeah. Don't ding unless it's in view. Yeah, doubleness. Doubleness. Thanks, guys. Nice. I need 2 in 3 spins. Oh yeah, he's down there. Can I get a win then? No, I can't. Weird way to do it, wasn't it? 1 winning spin. And pizza. Pepe's Pizza. Nice place you got there, Pepe. That was bonus number 5. I fancied a bit of fire in the hole too. On that one. There we go. I'm in. What did that cost? £83. I've never had 4. Still chances though. There's my 3 little nuggets. Oh. £12.32 win plus this guy. He's the same miner as Dead Canary, isn't he? I think he is. Go on, middle. Run that space up there. Oh, can't get in. 19x, but it's playing at £1.60 stake. A few. That's actually the great one, isn't it? Yeah, you stick around for a bit. Don't think I've ever had the treasure chests. You're gone. No, you're still there. Good. Bottom, bottom. Yeah. No, what am I about? I thought it hit it. I don't know why. But it didn't. Go on, open them up. Uh-oh. Do I get any more? No! Damn, the first time ever I've opened those. And then it dies straight away. 101. Slight profit on that. Yeah, £1.60 stake. What was that? Number 6. Here's a new one. Cash Strike X Cash. With Gertz from Blueprint. Looks similar, but it's got a multiplier at the top. I'm not sure I'm going to get Cash Strike. 2 more spins, and that is 300 loss on it. You can have 1 for luck. Yeah, I'm going to have to give up on that. Biggest win, £28 there. Have another lucky one while I'm talking. Yeah. Well, that was unfortunate with that other thing. Let's go for Dead Canary, yeah? I kind of like this. I don't often find it overly difficult to bonus. And it can kick off sometimes. No Limit City, this one. Well, it wasn't as cheap as I hoped. Maybe I'll get 4. Can you get 4? No, I guess not. It's not teasing. That cost 228. Combined with the last one, that Cash Strike. Not great. Yeah, I think they're in good spots. I don't know really. It does what it wants. Not ending there. Wonder if it could. Oh, I needed rat, didn't I? Oh no, he's gone in. That's alright. Wasn't sure if I needed an explosion next to him. Yeah, good. I'm gonna get 2 rats. Good. This is looking alright. Shame that 15 didn't go in ratty there. Oh, rats. Got hit down. And then Jet, he's doing really well. This best ever it's done, I think. Oh yeah, what are you up to? Oh, I times it by 3. That's what you're up to. Look. Oh, there's 450 in there nearly. Ah. Oh no, that's it. Oh no. It didn't give me that 460. Shit. It had to break the thing, and I really thought I was going to do it. Why else build it up and do that? Well, that's just annoying, isn't it? That's basically an ultimate tease. Now that was bonus number 7. An annoying one. And a loss on that as well. That was really frustrating. I thought it'd do that. So why else was it building it up? 3 buzzing wilds then. Pretty decent game. I'm in. I got 3 of them. I'm going for the middle. I've decided. What did that cost? It cost around 70, I think. Middle, right? Never go for the middle. I do sometimes, but not often. It's like middle volatility, I suppose. Yeah, you stick, yeah? Good. £30 for that. Left. Yes. Can be good. Is that a big one? Yeah, in that case. 30 again. The last one was 30 and it didn't say big one. I guess it's 30 again. Ish. What do one or four? One would be massive. That's a good one. That's about £89.60 at least. Ooh. Can we do one more? Yeah, at least £30-ish then, aren't they? So at least not. Yes! Oh, that is really good. Not sure the win line stuff. Yeah, nice. Can do one more. 30-ish again. Yeah, 38. Final one. Come on. It's about 30. Exactly 30. 407. Fantastic result there. Nice. That was free buzzing wild. Pretty decent profit on that one. Hardly ever go for that middle option. Let's move on. Bonus number 9, I think. I have opted for Big Bass Mission Fishing for slot number 9. Bonus number 9, hopefully. 3 of them. They do step down if they're above the reel. 2 more spins on this. I'm going to have to give up. That's really extra annoying because 3 buzzer molds was fantastic and then this has had 300 without anything. Give you 3 more spins. That is that. Oh, there's a tenner. What are we on? 298. Last one again. There we go. Here's one I haven't played in a while. Space Donkey. I like this game. £2. There's no side bets on this. Pretty fun bonus though. Man, can I get 4? 4's the super bonus. What did that cost? £2.90? Oh. Yeah, I've had a lot of little wins. Didn't think it was that cheap though, but I guess it was. Okay, 3. I like this game. Come on in. Oh, that's a lot of electric doors around. Oh, hey. Move up, I suppose. Hey. Ah, she collects all those. Thanks. That's nice of her. That's 52x already. Get away from him. Not much going on, is there? I think I need the girl. He's in the most powerful. Oh boy. No, left. Oh, I think I'm in trouble on this one. Maybe not. Can the alien get that rock monster? Go down one. Oh. Go down. Or up. Okay. Yeah. 1 banana left. There's a 5x there. Don't get it. Oh, he didn't get it. He went, he went the other way and got killed without getting it. It's that 130. 133 on Space Donkey. I had super bonus on that once. It's on the video somewhere. It's pretty good. That was number 9. Block bonus number 10, hopefully. Smoking Dragon by Hacksaw. It's a new one. Looks kind of cute. It's, yeah, I was going to say it's probably 3 FS symbols. They love an FS, don't they? Looks like there's a subsistence thing on the left. They've loaded this, so just see what happens. Slot number 10. Bonus, the final bonus. Pot of Luck. It cost £131. This bonus keeps base game mechanics, and then I'm not reading the rest. Oh, nearly a re-trigger. It's a bit of a re-trigger. Yeah, I didn't have those golden eggs. They look like pineapples, but they're golden eggs. Oh, he's a multiplier. Not multiplying much now. Come on, eggs. Crack or whatever. Whatever you do. When you're on £10. That's good, yeah. No, hardly anything there. No win values. I guess the characters are worth a lot if you get a bunch of them. Come on. Come on, pineapple. Let's see what it does. I think that's a decent... Yeah? Did I just get 3? Yeah, 1 fell off though, right? Don't know. I did. I got 4 then. But they fell off. Only £37 fall down. Oh, 2 dragons. Should be good, right? Come on, pineapple. Oh, it's gone again. Oh, that wasn't very good. That was it. That wasn't a very good game. Hard to know what was going on with that. Smoking Dragon, £75. Nicely drawn, bit of a rubbish bonus, wasn't it? That is gendered bonus compilation. The highest bonus I had was 3 Buzzing Wilds. Pretty old game now, actually. Nice game. 407 bonus. Total though, 480 loss, unfortunately. I was disappointed with Smoking Dragon. I thought I had the eggs, but they had to be on the screen and it wiped them out at the bottom. Lowest bonus, HooKoo, £16. And I didn't get Mission Fishing. And what was it? Dead Canary. That was an annoying one, wasn't it? Because it didn't crack that cage. Hope you enjoyed that video. I'll see you later. Thanks for watching. Casino special tomorrow or the next day, land-based. I have to get it all sorted. Have a great evening. I'll see you later. Bye.